My name is Steven Yong and this is Royal Synchro T2 sample usage video. This is basically a video of me making coffee for people in my shop. The Synchro T2 in this picture is a 2-group machine that comes with a joystick froth wand. High group, that means that I can make an ounce cup. I can use it to make an 8-ounce cup, or I can use this to make a 14 or 16 ounce tall glass. I'm going to auto-froth it. For those interested in how to auto-froth, do take a look at my other videos which I actually explain the steps, or if you like to learn how to froth it manually, please take a look at my, there's a lot of my other videos that tells you that.